Hello, good evening. I'm Cherry here from Homilychart. Welcome to today our learning. Today we mainly learn one of Homily feature indicator. Homily rainbow help us to follow the trend. Okay. First, for new friends, here is our investment philosophy. In the past 22 years, Homily give training for 22 years already, and nearly every day have class. So our investment philosophy, the first one is index first, stock next. And the second one is long-term first, short-term next. And third one is operate the familiar. So means if we do the rational investment, we do the rational analysis and do the right decision making, we must look at the index first. And then we look at the long term is bull or bear. After that, we can make the right decision. And also we do the familiar market and we do the familiar pattern stocks. So this way, the probability we make money, make profit will be much more higher. For new friends, we usually follow these 3 steps to make analysis and make a decision. So the first step is trend. We follow the trend, as trend is the core of technical analysis, the most important thing. So if for any share, if the company is no big problem, the fundamental is okay, and also the company have the value to do the investment, and then we just check now is the right time to enter or not. So the trend is up or down, we have big chance to make money or have higher probability to lose money. The second step, we look at the money flow. Money flow can help us to follow the big fish, as most of us, we are retail investor. And the third step, we look at the signal. In last 2 lessons, we learned multi-color dragon, how to follow the money flow, how to follow the big fish. And also we learned the red-white circle, how to find the precise buy point and sell point. And today we learn the trend. And the next lesson, we will learn how to catch bottom catch and top escape. Okay? So trend from direction, the trend can be divided into 3 kinds. The first one is uptrend, second one is downtrend, another one is sideways. Sideways also means the market is sleeping, no move, no trend. No trend also means no chance to make money. So for us, if we want to make money, the only way is in uptrend. And from period, the trend also can be divided into 3 kinds. The first one is the primary trend, the basic bullish market or bearish market. So this trend will usually last more than 1 year. And the secondary trend is the rebound or correction, usually lasts 3 weeks to a few months. And the minor trend also is the daily fluctuation. It's 6 to 10 days. So this is the trend direction and the trend period. So from Homily rainbow here, this indicator combined the moving average, and also combine the volume and the time together to help us to follow different period trend. See, the white line here means the long-term trend. Usually it will last more than 1 year. The blue line is the mid-long-term trend. Can be a few weeks to a few months. The yellow line is the mid-short-term trend, 3 weeks to a few months. And the green line is lifeline. So if the price, the candlestick above the green line, so means it have life and continue hit new high, continue rising. But if the candlestick, the price is below green line, so means no life. No life we better not touch, as no life cannot go up and cannot make money. It will continue sideways or continue pullback. The red line here means the short-term trend, 6 to 10 days, the short-term trend. So based on this color, it's very clear, right? If we do short-term trading, we can follow the red line. If we do wave trading, we can follow the yellow line. And if we do mid-long-term investment, we can follow the blue or white line. So usually, long-term investment is follow white lines. Follow white lines, just like here we take some example. Like this share is not important, as in today's class we mainly learn the pattern. We learn how to catch the dark horse, how to choose one share, and after we bought, it can rise 100%, even 1000%. So this is what we want. Like this share, previously we see the white line. The white line is turned down. The white lines all turned down. So means the big trend is bearish down. The big trend no good. Big trend bearish down. The blue line is mid long term. The yellow line mid short term. So if the candlestick, the price here, can break up the white line, so means what? Means dark horse point. As from bearish, the share from bearish now turn to bullish already. So usually we combine with the money flow, can consider to buy. And here we can build the position. Later we will learn. The yellow line is for a retail investor to do the mid short term investment. So below the white line means the big trend is bearish, no big chance. But we have the mid-term and the short-term chance we can also consider. See, like this round, right? Rebound, or can just make big money or make some pocket money. See, here the price break up the yellow line, we can consider catch bottom here, and then after we bought it rise, but hit the white line resisting, pull back again until the price stand above the white line, so means the dark horse point, and afterwards we have more chance to go. So you see, we bought here, around here, it's only 12 cents, until today it's already 21 cents already, 50%, more than 50%, but seems not finished yet, as the price stand above the short-term, mid-term, long-term, stand above all the rainbow lines. And also we see more than 75% is red bar, so means the big fish here. The trend is very beautiful. You see the white line just turn up, right? So means from bearish down to bullish, not just rising 50% only, and have a long way to go. So if the price above the green lifeline still got life, and the long term is bullish rising, and also got big fish here. So every time the short term correction finish, or we see the first red circle, we can follow. After we bought the price above the yellow line, we just hold. So this is a comparison for any market, for any share, it all like this. If we choose rightly, we choose smartly, after we bought, you no need to do anything, and then every day your profit high, more and more. But if we choose wrongly, even we study every day, we monitor every day, but as we choose the choice is wrong, it still cannot make money. Okay, so you see, for the strong one, it continue hit new high, 41 cents, now it's already 81 cents, also 50%, but continue rising, not finished yet, right? So for any share, even the most strong share, it cannot rise every day. After some rising, it will pull back. After some rising, it will have correction. So this pattern is the most safe pattern, as the price rising is the accumulation of the risks. But correction means the the risk released already, so usually it will continue the beautiful uptrend movement. But if the share is bearish down, how we know? We see the white line. The white line can tell the long-term trend. White line turning down, so means the big trend is bearish down. It surely have some rebound, but we never hit the resistance, pull back again. Hit the resistance, pull back again. Testing, hit the resistance, pull back again. Even the third time already. Recently, this few months, for Intel, it's testing 3 times already, but all fail. Until the price, the candlestick can stand above the first white line, so it means the dark horse point. Currently, it is still below the white line, so means we can only take as a short-term rebound. Once the rebound finish, it will pull back. But the good signal is here. You see, this week the green bar disappeared. Disappeared means the locked chips no more already. As the price go up, many locked people now unlocked. So the price will don't have so much resistance to hit break up, to hit new high. So we just wait for the big fish. Just like the city development, also the same pattern. Most Singapore blue chips, dark horse point and dark horse speed already. And the Intel city development still below the white line, but the green bar disappear already. So if the big fish come again, the red bar rising, and also the price can break up the first white line, and then we will also have the dark horse point and have more space to go. Okay, SIA also the same. If the white line bearish down, the white line turning down, so means the big trend is bearish. After rebound, it pull back again. Every time the rebound finish, it drop more. So you see recently, it had some rebound, but hit the white line resistance, cannot stand above the resistance level. So means the bearish resistance still works. So the price does a sideways here. Still no big chance yet. As currently the big trend still bearish down and not dark horse not point yet. So still sideways and wait for the big fish come. Whenever the purple line turn up, the purple line means 10-day moving average of the big fish. So if the purple line turn up, means the big money continue flowing, and then it will have the power to break up to continue rise. Okay, not time yet. This one is still limited, one of the US share. So from IPO sideways, and then price break up all the rainbow lines, $13, $26, $35, $153, $177. But finish yet? Finish already? No. Now 226 already, and continue. So this is strong shares will be stronger. This is also the pattern, also our pattern. See, if we do the long-term investment, we just follow the white line, and here is our best chance to build the position. If we miss the chance, it's okay. The price will pull back, hit the support line, and the big fish also come in. We can buy again. We can add position again. So after we bought, continue rising until now, right? So strong shares will be stronger. We always pay attention to the trend, not the price. From $13 rise to $150. Rising more than 1,000% already. You don't think it's too high. The high will be higher as the trend, short-term, mid-term, long-term, very beautiful uptrend, and also big fish here. More than 50% is banker, is big fish. So we follow this kind of share. It will be very safe. very safe. And Tesla also the same pattern. $35, not more than 826. So if the pattern here, all the trend is very beautifully uptrend, and also the big fish here. Every time the price pull back to rainbow lines got support, it will be our another chance to consider again. So even here, 2 months, $400, more than $800.26, another 100% already. So strong will be stronger. For midterm investment, see, if you don't like the long term is more than 1 year, right? So for most of us, we cannot stand so long time, and maybe you can consider the midterm. Midterm also means the wave trading. Wave trading is 3 weeks to a few months. So for this kind of investment, we can follow the yellow line. This is Xiaomi yellow line. So the first wave is $9 rise to $12, 30%, and the pullback to the white line got support and rise again is around $11. $11 now it's 31, 300% already. But you see, every pullback, every correction, it breaks down the last yellow line or not? Never. Never means whenever the price pull back to the yellow line, it will rise again. Pull back to the yellow line, got support, continue again. So you see, yellow line, yellow line, yellow line, yellow line, support effective. So continue rising. But currently, this gap and also the red line will be the short-term resistance. If the price can stand above the red line, it will continue again. Okay, so this is the pattern. And if we do short-term investment, short-term here we not mean the intraday trading, not buy sell based on the minute chart, even based on the second chart. We not mean this. In technical analysis, the short-term investment means 6 to 10 days. 6 to 10 days, around 2 weeks. So this is the short-term investment. So we can follow the red line, just like here. It's very easy, right? The red line, the price stand above the red line, we can consider to buy. But whenever the price break down the red line or the price break down the low of previous candlestick, it's time to take profit ready. So for this short-term trading, also quite powerful. Here is around $15 and here is 23. So 2 weeks, 3 weeks, the profit is quite okay, right? So this is today the indicator. We learned to check the long-term, mid-term, and short-term, the different period investment. And this is another pattern. So this pattern can help us to find any share can get 100% of the profits. See, for Homely members, we said 10 years you can get 200 times profits back. 10 years, 200 times back our profits. So this is one pattern how our members use the software, use the technology to filter these shares out. So you see the pattern. The pattern here is very clear. We see for rainbows, the red line, short term, the green line, lifeline, the yellow line, mid short term, the blue line, mid long term, the white line, long term. So you see what happened here. I use the pink dot marked here. All the rainbow lines converge together. Usually, this is the beginning of the bullish rising or the beginning of the bearish down. But we see here, after all the rainbow lines converge, and then turn up, and also the big fish come in. The big fish come, the price will have power to continue rising and continue hit new high. So this is quite helpful. We bought here is around $3.60. Now you know how far it will go already. More than 60 already. So means what? Means we got 20 times back already and only a few months. So you see, if 10 years, how much money you can get? This is the technology, the software. We can use this pattern to filter all the market, all this kind of shares. The software will scan automatically for us, and then we just follow. From $3.60, now it's more than $60 already and continue rising. Okay, so here is the filter. First step, we click the market and language. Click market and language, we choose the market. Say you do Singapore shares, Malaysia shares, Hong Kong shares, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, and also US market. We just choose the market we need. And then you see here the program. We just click this program and we choose Homilychart Rainbow 16 lines converge, and also we can choose dark horse point. So at the beginning we learn if the price break up the white line, also the white line turn flat, turn up, so it means dark horse point. After dark horse point, and usually it will have big rise. So here we all can filter. After you just click this triangle, we have a lot of programs, dark horse point, dark horse speed, the rainbow lines converge, or we can also use the multi-color dragon. We just filter any shares having big fish flow in. We just click filter, click filter, so it will scan automatically for us, and all the shares it scans will be this pattern. All the rainbow lines converge together. Also the big fish, the red bar more than 50%, means the banker built the position already, and the purple line turn up. So here it will be the best interpoint, 50, and the 5 months is more than $2.20. So you see more than 400% already. Only a few months. So 10 years we will have a lot of these chances for us to make money. This is another pattern, right? $3.80, all the rainbow lines converge together and then continue rising. So the profits will be ours. And then we go back to the chart, we see some pattern. So this is room video we usually use for the meeting. So for this one, the pattern previously is very beautiful. After break up the yellow line, it continue rising. Every time pull back, it will continue rising and rise to $580. 580 is okay, but when the price break down the yellow line, it's around 450. So it's time to take profit ready. And here it's time to take profit. So after we take profit, you see the price still move below the yellow lines. Below the yellow line, so means it's a midterm correction. But for long term, as the white line still up, long term still okay. Midterm correction, 3 weeks to a few months. So if the price cannot stand above the yellow line and also the red bar below 50%, no big chance to big rise, only short-term rebound. Okay, it's quite easy. Yeah. For DBS, after the correction triangle break up, so we see also here all the rainbow lines converge together. The price stand above this level. The red bar more than 50, the purple line turn up. So here the price is around $21. Now have some pullback. It rise to 27, around to 27. Currently have some pullback, but we see the price, the candlestick still stand above the green lifeline, still stand above the yellow line. So for long-term investment, DBS, OCBC, UOB, the same pattern. For long-term investment, the price stand above the green lifeline, still no need worry. For long-term, still no need worry. It may have some short-term pullback like here, short-term big drop, long-term sideways, but above the yellow line, it will rise back again. So this bank shares for the blue chips above the yellow line, all no problem. For the US market, today, tomorrow is the turning point. Tomorrow is a very special day and also the market turning point. So we should keep close eyes on the market movement and how it moves. From the chart we see the red bar breakdown purple line is January 14, and 2 days already the red bar is continue smaller, so means the big money a bit flowing up, and that's the reason why the last 2 days the price have some pullback, but still above green line, above green line we still got life. So 30,488 it will be very important support level. If Dow Jones can still stand above this level, no need worry, only short-term pullback, and after correction finish, it will continue again, just like the previous times. Every time the lowest price hit the green lifeline and rise again, hit the green lifeline and rise again. So if the market pull back a bit, a lot of individual share and also follow the index will pull back, and then it will be our chance for another rising, another entry point to follow the trend. Okay, SPX, the same as the Dow Jones, and even hit the green lifeline but never break down. So above the green lifeline, 3731, above here, still very safe. Nasdaq, the red bar break down purple line more than 1 week already. The red bar break down purple line and the purple line turn down a bit, so the money flowing out more than 1 week already. Since January 11. So the price also sideways here, no big rise. As the money flowing out, the price no power to continue hit new high, so it will correction. But the price also stand above the green lifeline. It's 12,795. So if the price stand above the green lifeline, we still safe. And the short-term pullback finish, it will continue again. As the mid-long-term trend, no problem. Okay. For Singapore market, 3,000 is very important level. If 3,000 can effectively break up, it will have more space to go. And today close is 2995, nearly 2996, 2995.9. So above 3,000 will be better, and it will be strong, continue rise. So in the next half year, our target is 3240. So currently it just sideways around 3,000 resisting level. If 3,000 can break up, and then it will have more space to go. SDI and the Malaysia market continue pullback 1 month already, more than 1 month already, continue pullback, and now the price just struggle at the yellow line. So if the yellow line break down, it will testing the blue line and the white line support, but the last and the most important support is 1460. Since March till now, it have testing 3 times. June pullback, September pullback, November pullback. These 3 times all got strong support at 1460. See, if this time the big money, the red bar continues smaller, the purple line turning down, and it have bigger and longer correction, 1460 still the last and the most important support level. But above this, we got the yellow line, the blue line, the white line, 3 levels support. Okay, so most likely it will continue sideways here. And for Hong Kong market today very strong, gap up and continue rising. You know why? As a lot of money continue flow in. For Dow Jones, SPX, Nasdaq, STI, KLCI, the money all flowing out. And now you know the money flow to where? Now you see the Hong Kong market, the purple line continue turning up. The purple line continue turning up, not from now. It's December 30, 20 days already, and 3 weeks, more than 3 weeks. So the purple line, the red bar break down purple line, and the purple line turn up, the money continue flow in. That's the reason why the money, the price, the candlestick continue hit new high. 15 days index rise 11.9% already. So you see individual shares how strong. It will continue. Okay, today gap up, big rise, but the close price pull back a bit. So most likely the next few days it will continue hit new high or have some pullback. We can take half of the green candlestick. It's around 29,400. 29,400. Half of the green candlestick, it will be the important support level. See, if tomorrow or next few days it have some correction, have some pullback, but hit the support level and stop drop, and then it will be our another chance to enter again. We can also follow the signal. This signal we learned already, so you see quite interesting. The first red circle so means the short-term correction finished already. Short-term correction finished, turn to the first red circle, so it will continue rising. Okay, so this is the homely rainbow we learned today to help us follow the different period trend. Just like this kind of share, if we have the software, then you no need worry. Strong will be stronger, and high will be higher. So you see today, this share, this is a micro mechanic. If we have no need worry to sell, still can hold $1.60. $1.60. Now it's $3.50. Nearly 100%, right? 1.6, 3.5, more than 100%. And here is only June till now, half year 100% ready. So if we have this pattern is very beautiful. In Singapore market we have 10, more than 10 this kind of share hit history new high, and the trend is very beautiful, and also got big fish here. So short term, mid term, long term all rising. For this kind it will be very strong, and strong will be stronger, so no need worry. Okay, and in one word to we make some conclusion regarding today's talk. So if we are long-term investment, we follow the white lines. If we are mid-term investment, we follow the yellow lines. And if we are short-term, we can follow the circle. How beautiful. Even we bought here, it's only $2.60, and see, now it's $3.49, and only 1 month. We make the statistic. The first red circle till today, only 24 days, the profit is 32.7%. So Singapore also not so difficult to make money. if you choose the right share. How to choose? We can use the software to do filter. We just go to the technical filter, and here you choose Singapore market. Then you can use the hit new high or the MCD 50. MCD 50 means the banker built the position already. So all these kind of shares, you just click filter, it will scan automatically for us. And then we can consider. So all pattern like this. The most important today we learn is this pattern. This pattern. If this pattern we can remember, and then the profit will be no problem. Okay. So today we will finish here, and have a nice day. See you.